Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on this channel, I have introduced to you my market maker levels and my market maker zones. So for people who are new to my channel and are watching my video for the first time, the horizontal blue lines that you see on the chart, they are the market maker levels. Um, and the two zones, the purple one and the blue zones, are the market maker zones and the ignition market maker zone. So, how do these horizontal lines that are the market maker levels work? They work as support and resistance levels, and you can use entry models like break and retest, double tops, and double bottoms to trade them. The zones, one is provided at 9 a.m., the market maker zone, and the ignition market maker zone is provided at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so how do they work? They are chopped zones. So inside the zone you do not trade, you will be chopped around. You can see this was provided at 9 a.m. and how choppy the price was. And they provide the bias as well. Above the zone you try to long, below the zone you try to short. Okay. Um, so all these levels and the zones, they are calculated based on the options market data and applied to the futures market. So I provide these levels and zones for the six markets in my Discord: NQ, ES, RTY, YMGC, and CL. And then the future MMZ, that's the market maker zone. They are provided at 9 a.m. and the IMMZ, they are provided at 10 a.m. for the six markets. Okay. So based on these levels and the zones, let's look at some of the trade setups that you could have taken today. Let's look at ES first. So you see this zone was provided at 9 a.m. and as we talked about this, there was a lot of choppiness in this zone. I was looking to short here, but I didn't. Why? Because at the same time, if you see, so I always trade and I recommend all my subscribers as well who have these levels to trade NQ and ES together. So you see, when I was looking for shorts here, um, you see the price was here. So NQ was trying to say that we need to go long. ES was trying to say we need to go short. So even here, if you wanted to do the same, here again, I mean, there is a divergence between ES and NQ. You do not take those trades. Okay. So, so you see, like once ES came above the MMZ as well, you can long till this level. If you are a scalper, I mean, it's just 6 to 7 points if you want to trade like that. But if you want to wait, you could have waited for this level to be clear, and then there are no levels above, so it would have been a clear path for the price. So idea is to look for the clear path for the price and not trade inside these zones. That's it. So you can see later in the day, price came inside the zone again and then dropped. So inside the zones you do not trade. When it dropped, you can look for shorts. So you see, it was like when the path is clear, it's like a easy trade for you to take. Anyways, I didn't take any of these trades. I'll show you the trade that I took. But the price came very close to this level, but reversed before the market close or at the market close. So yeah. So again on NQ, this was a chop zone. I left this zone. So it was telling us to long, but ES was telling us to short. So yeah, so divergence. So you do not enter. So here, if you are still trading blind without looking at ES, so if you long above here, you take the profits at this level because there will be a lot of resistance. Price could reverse as well, but uh, if the market orders are big enough, it will clear these level as well, but there will be a lot of resistance. So always take profits at these levels. Otherwise there will be a lot of choppiness. Even if the price wants to go up, you will have to sit through the pain. Okay, so you can enter again when like price has cleared this level, right? So yeah, but you see at the end of the day, so price came back to this zone and rejected. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of significance to these levels and zones. Um, so these were some of the trades you could have taken on ES and NQ. Um, so these zones, they can be nearby, stacked, overlapping, or they can be far away as well. So I took this shot on RTY today from the IMMZ. So these zones were far away. So this was a 9:30 open, and this zone was provided at 10. You see a lot of choppiness. I would have taken a long uh, if there was a clear higher high form, but it never happened. So yeah, I mean, a lot of choppiness, and you see at this point, price started dropping, and there was a lower low formed, and with a solid rejection. So I didn't enter at the first candle because the rejection candle. I was looking for a solid rejection candle. You can see this candle is not solid. So second one was a solid candle, and I took this 2 to 1. So the price did come back to this zone again. You can see there was a retest of this zone, and then again rejection with a lower high formed, and you could have entered here again, but I was done for the day. I just took one trade today. So yeah, this was a trade that I took. That I mean, there were some good setups on RTY today. On YM as well, there was a setup, but I was calculating this zone. I just quickly called it in my uh, subscribers channel, like YM short opportunities as well. So around 10 a.m. But at the 10 a.m. I had to start calculating my um this zone, the blue zone. So yeah, I have to provide it at 10 a.m. So I was focusing on that. So yeah, I mean, I couldn't take the trade, but I alerted my subscribers. So yeah, I mean, this was like a nice short opportunity here. You can see, since there are no levels around after this, you see the path is clear for the price. So here in on ES, you see once the um, price is above MMZ, there is a level around, right? So it's not a clear path. We never know. Like, yeah, I mean, it can clear the level, but it cannot. It might not as well, right? So, like in this case, so I mean, we shouldn't be risking it. Just look for the A plus setups, clear opportunities, and trade only those. If you want to scalp till this level, you can definitely do that. But if you're looking for like big trades, like I mean, you see, there are no levels, so clear path for the price. So yeah. So on GC and CL, in this case, the two zones were overlapping. Uh, so the zone was provided at 9, and this is the 9:30 open. So you see, I mean, inside the zone you do not trade, and it left the zone with momentum. So once the higher high is formed, you can look for longs till the level. Again, there will be a lot of choppiness on this level, or like resistance at this level, right? So above the zone you long. So when price leaves the zone with momentum like this, you can take the first higher high itself. There might or might not be a retest. So yeah. So this is a good setup to have, like launch from this zone with momentum and the first higher high long till this level. Okay, then at the end of the day, you see the price kept hugging this level, and at like 16 p.m., that's the end of the trading session. Like price was sitting inside the zone. So yeah, there was a good opportunity here on gold at this point. Um, Finally on oil. So this was the zone provided. You see again left with momentum. You could have entered here, and this IMMZ was provided. So inside the zone, you do not trade. Um, Once price started leaving this zone with momentum, you could have entered, or you could have, I don't know, in the lunch hour if you want to trade. I generally avoid that. Um, yeah, but you see, price came back to this zone, and it rejected again. So yeah, I mean, these zones and levels are very powerful. Do not trade the markets blindly. Uh, have access to these levels and zones. The link to the Discord would be in the pinned comment as well as the description of this video. Even if you don't want to like subscribe to these levels and zones yet, you can always join our Discord. Like there is a lot of information in this channel how to trade these levels and zones, and I have made two detailed videos, one this one and one this one. You can watch these two videos, things will be clear to you. And yeah, we keep on sharing a lot of screenshots like how our levels are reacting. um, so you see, I mean, you can join the Discord, you can observe how we are trading these levels and zones. So yeah, uh, I'll see you in my Discord. If you have more questions, you can always ask me, and I recommend you to watch the videos in this channel how to use MMLs and MMZs, this one as well as this one. It will be really helpful, and this channel in like it has all the information you would need how to trade them as well. I mean, if it's little, I mean, a lot of information here, but it will be very useful. But if you read them. All right, so I'll see you in my Discord. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends as well. Take care. See you.